As a boat owner, you want to ensure that everything is always up and running on board so that you are always ready to go out for your next adventure. At Sailsense, our core mission is to minimize the hassle of owning a boat while maximizing your enjoyment at sea. The Sailsense system is an advanced boat monitoring and alarm that allows you to monitor your boat remotely and detect any unauthorized access or in-harbor collisions. On top of the commonly offered boat monitoring functionalities, Sailsense is the only solution on the market to fully cover and automate your boat maintenance plan while providing you with advice during a navigation. Thanks to the Sailsense app, even before arriving on board, you can directly ask the local maintenance team to make an intervention on your boat via the task manager. While at sea, Sailsense acts as a smart crewmate, maintaining permanent control of all key parameters such as batteries, engine, or anchor drift. Be alerted of any anomalies immediately and prevent damages. On top of alerting you on board, our continuous connection with the shore can directly send relevant data to your favorite maintenance team, minimizing intervention times when you come back from your trip. Our app also provides you with tons of useful additional features to support the ongoing maintenance of your boat, such as task lists, checklists, and an automated logbook. Sailsense is the most innovative and advanced boat monitoring system currently on the market, coupling state-of-the-art remote monitoring features with real-time advice during sailing, all of this through a user-friendly application. Contact us today and find out more at www.sailsense.io. Sailsense, connected boat solutions. Make your boats easier and safer to navigate.